Could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be guessing what airliner they are. Comment down below what your score was, and remember to like and subscribe for more content. Yes. So this aircraft, this is quite easy. It's the Airbus. Or it's either the A319 or A318. I'm gonna go A318 because that's the only. I'm pretty sure it's the A318. The answer is A318, so we can get along with it a bit quicker. This is a Saab 2000. That one's pretty easy. Yes, that is correct, a Saab 2000. Next we have, oh yes, here we go. What a good aircraft. Sukhoi Superjet. Sukhoi Superjet 100. And the answer is Sukhoi Superjet. Next question. That is, I already know it's an A340, you don't have to. Oh, but which one is it? It looks like the 600, so I'm going to say it's the A340 600. It might be the 300, but I'm pretty sure it's the 600. Answer is, yep, the 600. Correct again. And just so you know, I haven't watched this video through and gotten everything around. Right. So, okay. This is an A320 Excision Line. Yep, that is an A320. Because Wizz Air do not own A319, so thus impossible.
How are you, TIO? It seems to me that most of you are poorly informed about the going of the war.
Answer is
Correct explanation of your presence over here.
yes, Wizz Air Airbus A320.
Select to be ordered into a war to die.
Next question. That is a Fokker 100. Answer is yes, that is a Fokker 100. That is an MD-11. Very easy. Looks like he's about to tail strike. Or he's just taken off, I can't tell. Oh yeah, he's just taken off because of the runway. Oh wow, that's an old photo. Yep, MD-11. Next question. That is a 767.
Attention all units, Mr. Sergeant Stadenko. Attention all units, Mr. Sergeant
767
Stadenko.
ground video.
We are changing from a code 3 direct pursuit to a code 3.7. Completely lost due to incompetence.
I love how no Australian airlines are ever included in these videos. It's not fair. Yep, 7673 on video. Hey guys, remember to like and subscribe and comment your score in the comments. See ya.